Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on this beautiful Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have this wonderful home that sits just 2 houses down from public access number 77 on the west end of Panama City Beach. Nice and quiet. Whatever mode of transportation you'd like to get down here, you've got peekaboo views from the 2nd story in the living room, and you've got stunning views from the bedroom right from your pillow. So let's go check this out. Oh good, you're here. I can't wait for you to see this one. Come on up, let's go. Welcome to this amazing, cute beach house. I love it. So this first level above the garage is going to be your open living space and perfect for entertaining. You got a great dining nook, a huge living room, but look at this kitchen. You've got your granite countertops. There's plenty of space for multiple people to be in here preparing dinner, getting the appetizers ready, and just ready to have so much fun. Now, let's go take a look at the rest of the place and these bedrooms. You can't wait till you see the main bedroom. So, while I was waiting for you, I was hanging out on the back balcony. This main ensuite is so spacious. I can't even believe you've got all of this bed and so much extra space. Right now they've got a desk in here, but honestly, you don't need all that. And what's super cool is you can either take the stairs here or there's an elevator. It's awesome. Check out the ensuite here, and then there's another ensuite on this level and another bedroom on the middle level with a bathroom so your guests can be entertained without going into your ensuites.
Hey there, I've got a surprise for you. Extra little treat with this listing. There's actually a studio lockout, kind of an owner's lockout on the bottom floor as you go through the garage. This is where we get the 4th bedroom of this great listing. Notice it's fully ready to go. We've got a bathroom, a little kitchenette, small stove, fridge, everything you need if you wanted to rent out the other space and have this space as an owner to come visit.
So for more information on this beautiful, stunning property, look in the description below. You can access the MLS listing link for all the finer details of price point, square footage, and exact extra photos. It's just fabulous. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, The Beach Show on YouTube. You don't want to miss any great properties like this one. Bye.